Okay, raise your hand if you feel that you're not really easily distracted by things. You stay focused. Okay. Now, what do you feel got you there? Did you work hard to gain something that you lost eventually? Does that give you passion? What drives your hunger? Not for the rest of us who have distractions. How did these affect your life? We're gonna have to carry on. How does this affect your life?
Hey, what's up, guys? Bramwood Beetle. I need all of you to run out there, check out the new album I've got coming up. It's called With Version. You can actually pre-order it right now at mrblends.bandcamp.com. That's MRBLENDS.BANDCAMP.com. I'll put a link in the description as well. I want to see those pre-orders. I definitely appreciate your time. Thank you very much for your support.
How do you feel people perceive you when you're distracted? What do they see? Does it matter? But there's an interactivity with entertainment. With technology, it really brings it to another dimension. There are a lot of bright minds out there. Let's keep the development conscientious. Interfacing, engagement, reading and writing, reciprocation. It's incredible what's happening right now. It's so entertaining. Just looking at the word entertain, and we look at the word tenable, capable of being held, maintained, or defended. So we can hold you, control you, and keep you linked in. I don't know. Why does it always have to be so bad? Why do I have to be tenable? No, but really though. Entertain. They want to keep you in mind. They're not letting go of you. They know what you like. They want to keep you. They're keeping you at the forefront of their minds. Their efforts are focused on getting your attention, as we know. So they are obsessive in making you obsessive about them making themselves more obsessive about making you. And it goes on. If you're feeling distracted, I can understand why. There are a lot of reasons why you should be distracted. I don't want to blame entertainment. It's not an entity that we can just point a finger at and say, hey, you thing there, calm yourself down right now. I'm trying to focus. This is something you gotta teach yourself. Yeah, it's just called focus. You gotta teach yourself that responsibility. More than that, discipline.